How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about a male model diet and workout plan. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So let's go over the workout plan first, you guys. Generally, most people who are male models, they know about progressive overload, they know about proper training, they know all the ins and outs about working out because their body is their money. That's how they make their money, is by having a good body, a good looking face. So you can bet your bottom dollar that their diet and their workout program is going to be extremely solid. With that being said, I looked at probably 10 or 20 different male models and I compared their routines. I really looked at what most of them do, and generally most of them will do a full body workout every other day working out. The reason for this is because in like a lot of videos that I say, it's good to hit your muscles with frequency. Frequency is king. Frequency is greater than volume. It's better to hit your muscles 3 times a week than to hit it once a week with a ton of volume. Ton of volume that doesn't work as good as 3 times a week. 3-4 times a week works better. It has been proven, you guys, by science, by research. 3 times a week is better. So most people that I looked at, they're doing full body workout. They're hitting their chest, their shoulders, their arms, their abs, their back, their legs. They're hitting that 3 times a week, every other day, sometimes 4 times a week. So that's their exercise routine. They're doing compound movements for most of the exercises. They're doing bench press, close grip bench press, military presses, deadlifts, squats, big compound movements that allow you to add a ton of weight and allow you to add a ton of muscle. The bread and butter. They're also going to add some isolation exercises as well, some curls, some overhead extensions to really get the definition in the smaller muscle groups, you guys. So again, that is their workout program. Very smart about it. I really enjoyed looking at all the different workout programs. Very smart individuals. I know they might get a bad rap. Some people may think they're stupid. Completely wrong. Very intelligent people. Their diet too, extremely good. For their diet, most male models, they're supposed to be around 6 foot in height or a little bit taller. People like the male models to be taller. For weight, they're generally 160 to 180 pounds, depending. Some people will be heavier depending on a certain look that they have, but generally 160 to 180. Now their diet, they eat extremely healthy, you guys. Lots of lean protein, complex carbs, lots of vegetables, lots of fruits, lots of healthy fats, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Again, looking at their diets, very impressed by their diets. Overall, if you want to eat like a male model, a lot of my videos, I tell you guys this, all the healthy foods to eat, all the frequency to do on your lifting weights, and just the consistency, doing it over and over again. You do it over and over again, you have consistency, you're going to get results. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.